Dear students, let us now discuss about the structure of lipids and the nomenclature of lipids. The general structure of the lipids. We know lipids are important structural components and also storage lipids are also seen in the body. The word lipos is in Greek which gives us the meaning as fat. The term lipid was first used by the German biochemist Blur in the year 1943. The chief concentrated storage form of energy are lipids. They are also the important cellular structure and various other biochemical functions are performed by them. They are the heterogeneous group of compounds including fats, oils, waxes, etc. They are relatively insoluble in water and soluble in nonpolar solvents such as ether and chloroform. They are broadly classified into simple, complex, and derived lipids, which are further subdivided into different groups. The structure of the lipid may be defined as they are the esters of glycerol and fatty acids are as the triglycerides of fatty acids. You can see here the a structure of a glycerol molecule, and when it combines with the three fatty acid groups, an example of the simple lipid we get it is a triglyceride. Alcohols found in the lipid molecules may be saturated. These commonly include glycerol, cholesterol, and higher alcohols such as cetyl alcohol and myrcene alcohol. Some of the common points we need to know when we learn the general structure of a fatty acid is they are the aliphatic carboxylic acids with hydrocarbon side chain. The general formula are R, CH2N, COOH. Fatty acids mainly occur in the esterified form as major constituents of various lipids. Carboxylic acids are the simplest form of lipids. They are also present as free unesterified fatty acids. Fatty acids of animal origin are much simpler in structure. These are usually straight chain derivatives. Plant origin, which often contain groups such as epoxy, keto, hydroxy, and cyclopentane rings. Long chain organic acids having usually from 4 to 13 carbon atoms, single carboxyl group, and a long nonpolar hydrocarbon tail. Most lipids are hydrophobic and oily or greasy nature. Fatty acids do not occur in free or uncombined state in cells or tissues. You can see them, they are present in a covalently bound form in different classes of lipids. Fatty acids, which occur in natural fats, are usually monocarboxylic acid and they contain an even number of carbon atoms. Okay. The chain may be saturated containing only single bonds or unsaturated containing one or more double bonds. Here you can see this fatty acid general structure here where R is given which is referring to the hydrocarbon tail and COOH which is the carboxylic acid group. Fatty acids may have hydroxyl groups in the chain, that is, in the hydroxyl oxygenated fatty acids. It may be also having a ring structure in case of cyclic fatty acids. Fatty acids are stored as energy reserve. We know about the triglycerides, okay, which are the depot of fats which are seen in the below the adipose tissues. Usually, it is linked to other groups to form esters or amides. You can see in the first diagram, it is showing in linkage with an ester, and next one which shows the linkage with an amide. Nomenclature of fatty acids. So let us see now how usually the fatty acids are named. The systematic nomenclature of the fatty acid is based on the Genevan system. The fatty acid is named after the hydrocarbon with the same number of carbon atoms. The suffix OIC, oic, how we usually spell it is oic. The suffix oic is written in the place of the final letter E in the name of the hydrocarbon. The names of saturated fatty acids end with suffix anoic, ANOIAC, and these unsaturated fatty acids with the suffix enoic. For example, if you